Welcome to Harare International Airport.
Here, look here, hold up.
You can't get the back.
Of course I can't get the back, but you know how no. You wish. Alright, great. We can give it to anybody, whoever's just chilling. We can hand it over to different people. Oh, snap. It's gonna be on the. This is gonna be on the. I don't even know what this might be on YouTube.
When is the Shirts and Black thing coming up?
You should be ready. I am the diaspora. Well, you can say either way. Oh no, film right now. We're doing a mic check. In fact, we're gonna have Helene. Sorry, I keep on sorry. I'm getting. I just calling you Van the Wannabe for now. VW. Okay. But some Africans get sensitive about their flag, so they'll be like, I don't want my flag worn like, you know how some people are.
Who's what?
Some people are just really like babies about it.
The tape's already in one of the decks. The one.
How does it feel to be African in that?
It feels great.
It feels
I
great.
always felt good. I'm African every day.
Say it in French.
Je suis très fière d'être une Africaine, une femme africaine, très fière.
Stepping on my flag. I'm just joking.
Kuda, wake up.
Yeah.
Your alarm, Kuda.
Yeah.
Kuda.
What?
You be late for work.
No. What time is it? Oh God.